Introduction to investments.
Investing helps your money grow over time. For beginners, understanding the main types of investments is crucial. In this video, we'll break down 5 popular investment types: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and real estate. Let's look at what each one means and why they might be right for you.
1. Stocks.
Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of that company. Your investment's value can go up or down as the company grows or struggles. Stocks can offer high returns over time, but they're also riskier, so research and patience are important.
2.
Bonds are loans you give to companies or governments. In exchange, they pay you interest over a fixed period. When the bond matures, you get your money back. Bonds are generally safer than stocks, but they usually offer lower returns, making them a popular choice for conservative investors.
3. Mutual funds.
Mutual funds let you pool money with other investors to buy a collection of stocks, bonds, or other assets. A professional manager makes the investment decisions. Mutual funds offer diversification and convenience, which can help reduce risk for beginners.
4. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs.
Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are similar to mutual funds but trade on stock exchanges like regular stocks. They often track an index, such as the S&P 500, and provide instant diversification. ETFs usually have lower fees and can be a flexible, affordable way to start investing.
5. Real estate.
Real estate means investing in property, like houses, apartments, or commercial buildings. Investors can earn money through rental income, property value increases, or both. Real estate can be a powerful way to grow wealth, but it also requires more money and effort compared to other investment types.
Conclusion: which investment is right for you?
Choosing the right investment depends on your goals, time frame, and risk comfort. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate each offer unique advantages and risks. Start by learning more about each type and consider speaking with a financial advisor before making decisions. Remember, investing is a journey. Take it one step at a time.